What are you doing?
I'm doing the puzzle effect. It needs a piece one piece together.
Oh, get up. I'm gonna teach you a little trick. Prepare a picture you like. Create a new 300x300 white canvas. Pull out two middle reference lines. Execute the marquee tool. Draw a rectangle in the upper right corner. Fill black. And then draw a circle with the elliptical marquee tool. Delete the black below. Move the positive circle to the bottom. Fill black. Ctrl+J, copy this layer. Ctrl+C, rotation angle. Move it to the bottom. Hide the background layer. Click Edit, define the pattern. Optional naming, and back to the prepared picture. Create a new blank layer. Click Shift+F5 to fill it. Select the preserved definition pattern. Fill 0, add bevel and relief here. Probably numerical reference here, and edges. The effect is completed.